Fuchsia is a capability-based operating system currently being developed by the Google. The project seems to be appeared on GitHub August without any official announcement. The contrast of the Google peers developing the operating systems such as Chrome OS and Android, which are based on the Linux kernels, and Fuchsia is based on the new microkernel called the Zircon. The project seemingly close ties to the Android, with some speculating that Fuchsia might become an effort to redo or replace the Android in a way that fixes a problem on that platforms. It is revealed that Google was developing a new operating system called Fuchsia, the dash infotainment system for the cars, to embed the devices like traffic lights and digital watches, smartphones, tablets, and PCs. It means all these will be working on Fuchsia operating system. The code is different from Android and Chrome OS due to it is based on the Zircon kernel. Fuchsia user interface and apps are written with the Flutter. Flutter software development kit offers a user to install a part of Fuchsia on the Android device. Fuchsia interface on the Android include a recent app screen, a setting menu, a split screen view for viewing a multiple apps at once. If you want to try it, the link to download the Fuchsia OS will be given in the description. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Do like, share, subscribe to our channel, and do follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Link will be given in the description. Thank you.